It's a very, very small parcel of land, approximately 60 square metres. It was about creating a sense of generosity in all of the spaces. The original house was a very modestly sized 2-bedroom townhouse built in about the 1980s. It was tired, it had tired kitchen and nothing had been done on the house in the sort of 25 years or so. So, how to get more space, but also how to reconfigure the ground floor in such a way that the living and the kitchen and dining felt like one generous and beautifully shaped room. It's about simplifying form, it's about using material in ways that flows from inside to outside. It's about placing windows and doors in such a way that each of the spaces sort of work with the others. And then utilising the kind of leftover areas and being really clever with the space to kind of tuck a little powder room underneath the stair and just making sure that every part of the design is the right size. Just getting the scale of those elements right is one of the key things to making modestly scaled projects feel bigger and more generous than they are. You enter through a gate directly off the street into the courtyard, and then once you enter the courtyard you really are inside the house already. Then the living room and dining and kitchen form one space. The overall house is not large, it's about 85 square metres in floor area. You go around behind the kitchen into a stair and then you get up to the first floor level. We did increase the size of the first floor level and that created the main bedroom zone and sort of much more generously laid out bathroom than previously. Coming back from there, there's a laundry in the corridor. So at the top of the stairs, there's a sort of bedroom currently being used as a study, but it does have a sofa bed and it is sort of intended to be used as a guest bedroom, and it provides access directly to the stair up to the roof terrace. So the roof terrace is really the sort of great reward. It's a beautiful tree-lined street, so in summer, in the afternoons, you get this lovely dappled light through the trees, and in winter, you'll get this much more expansive view and much more sort of sense of direct sunlight up there.
Clients have a very contemporary, minimalist interior sensibility. So really, it's a very simple palette, but quite rich. Timber ceiling, obviously, the sort of minimalist form of the joinery.
We always try to design our kitchens as being a very beautiful piece of fixed furniture. One of the things that unlocked the project was the arrangement of the kitchen with the door up to the stair on one side, the door into the powder room on the other side, and the kind of balance of that arrangement. And then it just kind of so happened that the very largest piece of porcelain sort of panel that we could get was the exact size of our kitchen bench. And so we just have a single sheet of porcelain on the front of the kitchen bench and a single sheet across the top of the kitchen bench. Beautiful sort of deep black element sitting in front of the timber to the behind, the softened of the timber. It's just a palette that really felt comfortable in this space.
What we love about this place when we come home, the rooms are all full of light and we can look out from every window in the house out to the treetops, and we love the greenery and all the trees and the leaves blowing, and then we can go up to the terrace in the evening and have dinner, and again it feels like we're up on the treetops. It's a great experience and we love that part.
We really try to bring the outdoors in. So I think indoor-outdoor is a term that gets overused these days, but we really try to work hard to make those external spaces become part of, the experience of dwelling.